In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Edpuzzle is not working. Now, if your Edpuzzle is not loading, freezing, or not saving your answers, the easiest way to do is to refresh your page. So all I have to do is click this icon right here, okay, to reload the Edpuzzle webpage. Because a simple reload can fix temporary glitches and loading issues, okay? Now, if that doesn't work, another option that you can do is to sign out and sign back in. So what I'm gonna do is log out of my account because this refreshes your session and can fix login or syncing problems, and try to log in again. As you can see, when I tried to log in, so the problem of not loading is fixed. Now, if that doesn't work, you might want to use an incognito or private window. On the three dots icon here, there is an option that says new incognito window. Okay, so open Edpuzzle if you want. Press enter, and again, try to log in using your credentials, because using a private browser or an incognito helps rule out issues caused by extensions, cookies, or saved data. Okay? Now, if that still doesn't work, okay, you might want to go again to the three dots icon here and go to the settings. Okay? I want you to go to the privacy and security. And then, of course, from here, you might want to clear your browser's cache and cookies. All right? And of course, click the delete data. Because with this, old or corrupted data can prevent Edpuzzle from loading properly. If you click the delete data, after that is try to restart your browser after clearing cache if that doesn't work. Now, another option that you can do is try to open Edpuzzle in another browser. Since I am using Google Chrome, I want to try using Firefox to see if that works, because sometimes some issues are browser specific. Okay? And then after doing all of these, if none of these steps work, we might want to check your internet connection by going to speed test right here. Press enter, go to a reliable speed test website, especially if you're using VPN or proxy, because that could interfere with your Edpuzzle loading times. All right? And again, you can also try to contact the Edpuzzle Help Center. Tell them your problem so that they can offer troubleshooting steps on how to fix them. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to fix Edpuzzle. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.